So what's up, y'all? You know it's your boy Jonah, aka Juna, and we're back with another video. So we all know the holidays coming up, Christmas is coming up, and your boy's gonna cook. Of course, definitely, gonna be chefing it up. So today we're gonna journey to the supermarket. We're gonna get our stuff because we're trying to get our stuff early because them stuff could get expensive around. Like if you're supposed to wait until it's really close to buy it. So we're gonna go to the supermarket and we're gonna get our stuff that we're gonna be cooking. And as I go on, I'm gonna be showing y'all what I'm getting. I'm gonna be cooking the regular standard Caribbean household food. I'm not gonna do nothing extra and all that. Alright, so journey with your boy on the intro. So we are in Green Village Supermarket. For some reason, we've been shopping at the supermarket for mad long and we don't know the name. So we're just gonna walk around and we're gonna see what we get in. Right now we stopped for browning. We're gonna do for brown stew chicken. Half of us sauce. Yeah, do we need a slapping mama? You don't like I know she didn't just say she didn't like that. Slapping mama is the best thing, alright? Don't listen to him. We're gonna need it for more than one chicken. That's gonna be enough? Take two. So we need for the stew chicken, the curry chicken, and the curry goat. We're going to talk to you.
Rice and peas.
We're going to do rice and peas and we're going to do white rice. Yes.
You must buy coconut and beef then.
So you want to do that? That's fine. We have time. So we have time. All right. Yo, chicken back, yo. It's like dead chicken back. Alright. So we need stew chicken, fried chicken, curry chicken. It's like one on each of these? Huh? That didn't sound confident at all. That's stewed chicken, curry chicken. Let me say again. Fried chicken, stewed chicken, curry chicken, and fried. Which one is the fried one? Stewed chicken, curry chicken, fried chicken. Yo, we're going all out, yo. We're going all out on this. Michelin star chef. Take up two of them, eh? Yeah? Alright, so here. Take up two of them. Serve.
Bonjour.
Yeah. Hi, how you doing?
Let me see that piece of the goat.
The leg light. No. Yes.
That little bit there.
Little bit.
That little bit.
A little bit? Yeah. How much is that? 24? Add another piece to it. Can you add another piece to it? How much? 43. Okay. Okay, we take it.
Medium.
I don't know. She usually be the one to get the goat. I don't know. I never buy goat. In Jamaica, we usually get just one whole goat kill. Oh, can I say kill for YouTube? We usually get one whole goat butchered. Is that better? I said I don't know how to buy goat.
Can we find a piece of your hand?
I just tell them. I never had to buy goat. That was like $43. We gonna see the size when it comes out. So we finished. We're gonna get some more stuff closer to the date. So right now, I think we're finished right now. So we're just gonna cash. We gonna see. The next clip is gonna be when I'm cooking on Christmas Day. Right now, I'm just gonna season up the meat and put them in the fridge. You know, that way you get the season to really soak in and everything. I do have some other stuff that I need to buy. However, I'm gonna wait until it's closer. When it's closer, I'm gonna buy those. But what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna just edit this and just compile it into one. Stay tuned. So what's up, everybody? Merry Christmas, happy holiday, whichever one you use. We had recently started this video already where we went to the supermarket and we are gathering stuff. So today I'm gonna take you into the kitchen today and we're gonna cook all that stuff that we have. We'll take you through with us. This is me cooking Christmas dinner for my family. I'm not no professional chef, but I could do my thing. So journey with me today while we make Christmas dinner. And later on, we're gonna show you the finishing product and everything. We're gonna show you the step-by-step that we go through and everything. I already had pre-seasoned my meat before today. So all of that, it's already seasoned up already. Already pre-soaked my peas. So I'm gonna cook my peas and then we're gonna keep the ball going from there. So journey with me, you know, it's your boy Jonah, aka Junior. Happy holidays to everyone who watched this video. Let's go. So this is my goat. I had pre-seasoned it up, I had pre-cleaned it up and everything. And so now we're gonna put it in. So I just had my pimento seed, give it a little spice, you know, pimento. So I have my Grace browning right here. However, I like to do it a way where I use the sugar with the oil. Now, I don't know if a lot of person know how to do that, but I have my browning. So when y'all see this video, do not come for me and say I do not have browning in my house. I do have browning, and it's the Grace Jamaican browning. But I'm gonna do my stew chicken a little different, where I burn the sugar to get that browning for it. All right, so I'm gonna show you how I do that right now. So what I do is that I put my oil and my sugar, and what I'm doing is that I'm making it until I get all that sugar burned out right here. And that's how I make the browning for my stew chicken. So y'all don't try to come for me in the comment section talking about he ain't got no browning in his house. I do. Okay? So this is always gonna be like that, and you're gonna see when it start to come up around the edge of it. And that's how you're gonna know when to put it in, when it starts to come up like that. And you wait until you get to the extent of the browning, how brown you want the chicken to be. So far, this is what's going on right over here. That's my goat. right there. My peas is over here. Getting this color. I had some more water to it. That's my peas. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do the fried chicken right here. And my stewed chicken is over there coming along. So yep. So you gotta have a cup of coffee. Christmas morning while you're chefing it up. Having a cup of coffee. Good stuff, good stuff. So we are about to do our fried chicken right now. So we're gonna get that going right now. Let's go. So we seasoning up our flour to fry our chicken right now. So this is what I use. I use garlic powder right here. I put some paprika. I put some adobo right there. Can't forget the Old Bay. And my favorite, slap your mama. So this is what I use to season it up. I have more season up there. There's a whole bunch of seasoning in my cabinet up here. But that's what I use right now the most. That's what I use the most. So, yep, so there you go. So this is my coconut milk. I'm gonna put in my peas right now. What I did was I bought the coconut and have it shelled. We blend it, and so we freeze the juice. So we're gonna add this right now into our rice and peas. It's hot in the kitchen, it's hot. But we're on a roll, we're on a roll. So right now, our rice is in, peas is cooked, our rice is in, and we're about to take out the juice of the stewed chicken. And this is our curry goat right here. Just came out. So the curry chicken is on the pot right now. We finished the curry goat. We finished the rice and peas. And so now we finished the stewed chicken. So now we're pretty much waiting for the rest of the stuff. You know, see I'm sweating inside the kitchen. Crispo's cooking! Yeah!
Merry Christmas.
So now we waiting. Let's sing a song. I don't want a lot for Christmas. Stick to my day job, right? Only true chefs cooking white and don't get nothing spilled on your clothes. What's up? Gordon Ramsay, you need to sign me? No, I can't do Gordon Ramsay. Nah. Gordon Ramsay, they be cooking chicken in like 15 minutes. 15 minutes, I'm just looking for the pot, bro. 15 minutes, I'm just looking for the pot. And then I'm gonna need an next 15 minutes to clean the chicken. By the time I finish cooking, it's like 2 hours. I can't finish cook chicken, and sometimes they want 3-course meal in like, oh, you got 60 minutes to complete this dish. 60 minutes? That's 1 hour. You know how long it take me to cook? Oh yeah, so far it's going on great. I'm gonna show you all the finished product. Welcome to John I World. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yo, just subscribe to the thing. Why y'all watch the video and don't want to subscribe? Like, bro, just subscribe, yo. It ain't that hard. It's free. And our curry chicken. So the curry chicken is out right now. So we're on a roll. Curry chicken is out. Soon finish up. Soon finish up. So we finally finished cooking everything right now. I'm gonna show you the finished product. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. All right, so I'm gonna show you everything right now. All right.